Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning channel. In today's video, we will learn English while discussing a very important idea that can change your life. The topic is simple but powerful. Think positive. Positive thinking is not just a motivational phrase. It is a way of seeing the world, a way of reacting to problems, and a way of building a better future. In this video, we will talk about what positive thinking really means, why it is important, and how you can develop it in your daily life. At the same time, you will learn useful English words and expressions. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. First, let's understand the expression, think positive. To think positive means focusing on possibilities instead of problems. It means believing that even when things are difficult, there is always a way to improve the situation. Positive thinking means choosing hope instead of fear, action instead of giving up. Many people confuse positive thinking with ignoring problems, but that is not true. Positive thinking does not mean pretending that everything is perfect. Problems will always exist in life. Challenges, failures, and difficult moments are part of everyone's journey. Positive thinking means facing those problems with a strong mindset. Instead of saying, "My life is terrible," a positive thinker asks, "What can I learn from this situation?" Instead of saying, "I will never succeed," they say, "I will keep trying until I improve." Let's look at a simple example. A negative thinker might say, "I can't learn English, it's too difficult." But a positive thinker says, "English is challenging, but I can improve step by step." Do you see the difference? The situation is the same, but the mindset is different. Now let's talk about why positive thinking is so important. The first reason is confidence. When you think positively, you begin to believe in your abilities. Confidence does not mean believing you are perfect. It means believing you can learn, improve, and grow. For example, when learning English, many students feel shy or afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning. If you think positively, you will say, "Every mistake helps me learn something new." The second reason is that positive thinking reduces stress and anxiety. Negative thoughts can fill your mind with fear. When you constantly think about failure, problems become bigger in your imagination. But positive thinking helps you stay calm and focused. Imagine you have an important exam tomorrow. A negative thinker might say, "I'm going to fail. I know it." This thought creates stress and panic. But a positive thinker says, "I will prepare as much as I can, and I will do my best." This mindset allows the brain to stay calm and work better. The third reason positive thinking is important is success. Many successful people share one thing in common. They believe in themselves before the results appear. Entrepreneurs, athletes, and leaders often fail many times before succeeding. But they continue because they believe improvement is always possible. Now let's explore 3 practical ways you can develop positive thinking in your daily life. The first method is controlling your thoughts. Your thoughts are extremely powerful. They influence your emotions, your decisions, and your actions. Many people allow negative thoughts to control them without realizing it. But you can train your mind. When a negative thought appears, pause and question it. Ask yourself, is this thought helping me or stopping me? For example, if you think, "I am not good enough," try replacing it with, "I am improving every day." This small change can make a big difference in your mindset. The second method is surrounding yourself with positive influences. The people around you have a strong impact on your thinking. If you spend time with people who complain constantly and focus only on problems, their mindset will influence you. But if you spend time with people who are motivated, optimistic, and focused on growth, their energy will inspire you. Positive environments create positive minds. This also includes the content you consume. Books, podcasts, videos, and conversations can all influence your thinking. The third method is practicing gratitude. Gratitude means appreciating what you already have, instead of focusing only on what you lack. Many people believe happiness comes after success, but in reality, gratitude creates happiness first. Every day, try to think about 3 things you are grateful for. It can be something simple, like your health, your family, your education, or the opportunity to learn something new. Gratitude trains your brain to focus on the positive aspects of life. Now let's connect positive thinking with learning English. Many students around the world believe English is impossible to learn. They feel discouraged when they cannot understand everything immediately. But learning a language is a journey. No one becomes fluent in 1 week or 1 month. Progress happens step by step. Instead of saying, "I can't speak English," try saying, "I am learning English every day." Instead of saying, "My English is bad," say, "My English is improving." These small changes in language can transform your mindset. And when your mindset changes, your actions also change. Remember this important truth. Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent English speaker once struggled with basic words and simple sentences. The difference between those who succeed and those who quit is persistence. Positive thinking helps you continue even when progress feels slow. It reminds you that improvement takes time, patience, and consistent effort. So as you continue learning English, remember to be patient with yourself. Celebrate small victories. Every new word you learn is progress. Every sentence you understand is improvement. Before we finish, remember this powerful message. Your mind is one of the most powerful tools you have. The way you think shapes the way you act, and the way you act shapes the results you get in life. If you train your mind to think positively, you will become more confident, more resilient, and more motivated to reach your goals. Think positive, act with courage, continue learning, and never underestimate your potential. Thank you very much for watching this video and learning English with us today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. See you in the next video.